guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Retro Slime Company. This slime package was sent to me for free for the purpose of a review, so thank you so much to Retro Slime Company for reaching out. I am so excited to open up all these slimes, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram where I post exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's the package that I received from Retro Slime Company. I absolutely love the box that the slimes came in. I just love all the detail, and on the inside of the box it talks about how slime started, which I thought was super cool. Everything came very nicely packaged in packing peanuts. They sent me their business card, 3 different slimes, and also the slime fixers, which I thought was super cute. It comes with slime activator and slime softener. Also, on the sides of the container, it talks about what inspired each slime, and I just thought that was a super fun and creative idea. So here's the first slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Pink Ladies Lemonade. It's a clear pink jelly cube slime with a very refreshing lemonade scent. The slime did come a little bit sticky, so I went ahead and mixed in some activator. This slime has a very fun texture. The jelly cubes make the slime very nice and crunchy, and the cubes are also very satisfying to squeeze. The slime is pretty stretchy. The slime does make some clicking noises, but it can be kind of hard to poke with all the jelly cubes. The slime also has a very nice scent. It smells so nice and refreshing. So here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Poppin' Good. It's a yellow foam slime with a really nice popcorn scent. This slime has such a nice texture. It has the perfect ratio from beads to slime, and it's just so much fun to play with. The slime is super nice and stretchy, it has great clicking noises, it has great bubble pops, and it's also very nice and glossy. Also, the scent on this slime smells so good. To me, it smells exactly like those popcorn flavored jelly beans, and it makes me crave them so much. This is just such a nice slime, and it's definitely my favorite one from this video. So here's the last slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called We Go Together Cotton Candy. It's a 2-toned pink and blue cloud slime with a sweet cotton candy scent, and also topped off with some really pretty glitter. This cloud slime has such a nice texture. It's super soft and fluffy, and it has really nice drizzles. It was also really fun to mix the two colors together. It turns into this really pretty bluish purple color, and I also really like the cotton candy scent. The slime does leave a little bit of snow fallout on my hands and table, but other than that, I thought this was such a cute slime. Overall, I think Retro Slime Company is such a nice slime shop. I just love all the detail on the box and the containers. Everything is just so creative, and their slime textures are also really nice. I definitely recommend checking out their shop. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box down below. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram where I post exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!